Good afternoon, everyone. Breaking news from London. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer has resigned as both Prime Minister and leader of the Labour Party. In a statement outside 10 Downing Street, Starmer said he accepted his party's decision with good grace. He told the nation that every decision during his time in office was guided by one principle: putting the country I love first. He has informed King Charles and will remain as caretaker Prime Minister until a new leader is selected. Starmer's exit comes just under 2 years after Labour's 2024 landslide victory. It follows poor local election results, internal rebellions, and strong pressure after Andy Burnham's decisive win in the recent Makerfield by-election. Nominations for the Labour leadership race are set to open on July 9, aiming for a new leader and Prime Minister by early September. Andy Burnham is the clear frontrunner. This makes Starmer the latest in a revolving door of UK Prime Ministers. We'll bring you full reaction and analysis throughout the day. Stay tuned.